We call ourselves one nation under God, but how can a house divided by tribe and religion stand under heaven? The wound that bleeds deepest is not foreign invasion, but internal division. The seeds of hatred were planted long before 1960. The colonial masters ruled us by division, labeling us Northerners, Southerners, Christians, and Muslims, not Nigerians. They built ethnic suspicion into our politics like cracks beneath a foundation. So when independence came, we inherited not a nation, but a competition of tribes. By the 1960s, regional loyalty had replaced national identity. The civil war that followed was not just a conflict of guns. It was a war between brothers who forgot they shared one destiny. Tribalism found new clothes in politics. Appointments are judged by where you come from. In schools, children learn stereotypes before they learn the alphabet. And in religion, the pulpit became a battlefield. We no longer ask, is he qualified? We ask, is he from my tribe, or does she belong to my religious creed? This is our story, from darkness to light.